Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today I have an update on HCMC, one of the most popular stocks on the channel. We was covering this one way back in January time, okay? It feels like a long time ago now, but reality was it's only a few months. But we have been on a roller coaster ride with HCMC, and I've done something with my position today. Have I sold out? Have I added to it? Normally, I just update the patrons on my buys and sells, but as this is one of the most popular stocks on my channel, I thought I'd go ahead and make a public video, a very quick one today on HCMC. If you appreciate this, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. And please remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so if you are planning on investing, you should always do your own research first. Like I say, I do give my buys and sells on the Patreon. Most days I do buy something, whether it's adding to a position or potentially opening a new one. If you want to get all of those updates as well as exclusive videos, live streams and more, come and join us on the Patreon. Link to that is in the description below. So let's get into this HCMC. We first started speaking about this one of the first channels to talk about HCMC, and when I first spoke about these were at 0.0010, and at that time I thought this was an insane price to be getting in at HCMC. We saw this one run up to about 50 or just touch 50, so we was in crazy gains with HCMC, and then boom, the market started turning red. People started selling out of more speculative positions, and believe me, HCMC is a speculative position. We're still waiting on the lawsuit news, which we could be waiting a very long time for. And very soon, within the next couple of days, we should be getting an announcement on the motion to dismiss. Let's not forget about that, okay? PM Philip Morris will be replying to the motion to dismiss, and that's on the 16th, okay? Well, it should be done by the 16th of April, and then the judge will have to rule on that. We're expecting Philip Morris to obviously deny this and carry on with the claim, and then the judge will rule and probably rule it out. And then we're going to have a lengthy lawsuit process. But in this period of the lead up to the court, we could potentially see a pop with HCMC. The markets are maybe slowly going to be going back towards green. Okay, we hope so in the next few weeks. That is a good catalyst here for HCMC. But remember here, clearly there are a lot of paper hands in this company. People are selling the shares because they don't want to be involved in something that's speculative. It's not moving quick enough. It's not getting crazy gains like Dogecoin, Bitcoin, all of these hyper cryptos, or maybe even SOS, AMC, GameStop, all of these hyper stocks right now. So people are coming out of these trying to get the next quick thing. But as soon as we start getting some lawsuit news or some news on the motion to dismiss, maybe they'll be coming back to HCMC. So we do have to be wary of that. That's all well and good seeing this one go back up again. But remember, just as quick as it can go up, it can come down, and that's what we've seen here at V on the HCMC. If we look at the last, literally the last 5 days here, same old, barcoding up and down, not moving very much. It's kind of been around these levels for what feels like a long time now. Currently at the time of recording, it's at 12, but we've seen this go 10, 11, 12, 13. It's always between that range. So what have I done with my position? Like I say, I first started buying these at 10, okay, 0.0010. That is less than a penny a share. That's pretty much a tenth of a penny. And today I have made another buy on HCMC. I've actually rounded my position up now, pretty much 1 million shares now. So it's still one of my smallest positions out there across all of my portfolios, but is now a little bit more substantial, okay? I've always said this is a speculative position, one of my smallest positions, and I am pretty much in this for the lawsuit. I don't mind holding it for a year or two though, you know. I don't have any short-term goals with this one. But if I was to give you a price prediction for HCMC, I would definitely be looking easily for another 100% in the short term, okay? Especially once we start getting some lawsuit news. But I wouldn't cash out on 100% on this. If they do get the lawsuit, you can pretty much guarantee if they get any sort of outcome from this, royalties, settlement, you name it, whatever. If they get something from this lawsuit, they're pretty much going to guarantee they're going to start buying back some shares, which of course is going to start seeing the share price rise. That is what we're expecting here with HCMC. And you know, there's lots of talks here. They could be doing a reverse stock split, something like that, to get that share price up. Yes, that would be bad in the short term for investors, but in the long term, I think we'll be grateful for that. Share prices are going to go up, and that's going to start attracting more and more investors back into the company. So yeah, that's what I've been doing with my position today. I did add some more HCMC. The first time I've added for quite a while. We haven't had any news out about these pretty much since my last update, which was about a week or two ago now. There's been no new news, but hopefully next couple of days we're going to hear about Philip Morris. I will of course keep you guys updated on what they respond. We're pretty much guaranteeing here that they are going to be nothing's going to change with this. They're still going to want this to go to the courts, and the judge will then have to rule on that decision, and then it will then go into the court process, which we don't know how long that could take. That could take a matter of a couple of months. It could take all the way to the end of the year. maybe even longer, okay? But hopefully we're going to get what we expect from this. We're going to get HCMC with hopefully a nice win down the line, and we're going to start seeing some big movement in the share price. Of course, any good news right now is really being hindered from the markets. Even if they came out tomorrow and said, you know what, we back down here, you win this claim, we still won't see as much green movement as we would have a month or two ago prior to these red markets. So at the moment, no news is kind of good news with a company like HCMC, and we don't mind the fact that here has pretty much been flatlining for the last month. If I go into the month graph here, okay, you can see the highs here, we hit 16 and we're currently at 12, and that's been pretty much at around that mark since about March the 25th. We've just been barcoding up and down. So that's just what I've done with my HCMC position. Let me know, are you still holding this one? Have you given up? Have you got out? Are you taking your losses? Are you down on this one? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you can smash the like and subscribe to my channel, that really is appreciated. Thanks for watching. I'm going to, of course, keep you updated in the next HCMC video. And until next time.